Good afternoon, Eryn, and thanks for taking the time to speak with me and share the story of McCain Foods' migration from on-premise HCM to SuccessFactors Employee Central in the cloud.
Hi, thanks. Nice to be here.
I was very impressed to hear that your migration was accomplished in under a year, and even more impressively, that you were able to go live right before the pandemic really started to kick in. Can you talk a bit about the pace of your implementation and your thoughts about getting it in under the wire pre-shutdown?
Yes, thanks. It's an accomplishment we're very proud of. Obviously, the pace was very fast, completing the technology implementation in under 12 months. But we did have a dream team and a proven track record of previous successful implementations. We also already had the talent suite of SuccessFactors for several years, and so we were able to accelerate our timelines to build on the additional modules. This did mean a lot of sprints, fast decision making, and a big commitment from our team. Our actual go live date was January 30th of 2020. So obviously we couldn't have imagined when we went live how the shutdown may have impacted us, but we were happy to be in stabilization mode when that occurred.
Has being live with SuccessFactors helped with having your teams working remotely, and can you contrast that to what it might have been like if you were still on-premise?
So I'd say definitely being in the model ahead of the shutdown, having people familiar with the systems, having been trained, definitely helped us to transition to the remote working. We did see some early opportunities around how to leverage our systems. So I'll give you an example. When the shutdown first occurred and travel was really restricted to essential workers, we found an immediate need for employment verification letters. Luckily for us, we had built a chatbot through the project that allowed employees to instantaneously create those letters based on data feeding in from SuccessFactors in Employee Central. So within minutes, they had the documentation that they needed in their hands to provide to any authorities should they need to.
What a clever idea. What a great innovation. What's the next project for McCain Foods on your HCM roadmap?
So being that we're still in the first year, coming up on our first year anniversary, we are still calling ourselves in stabilization mode. We are looking at efficiencies and optimizations. Because of the pace of our project initially, there were processes that we had to prioritize. So we're going back and we're looking at those, building a roadmap for the future and keeping an eye obviously on what SuccessFactors has on their roadmap.
As we all do. Well, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to speak with me and share the story of McCain Foods and the success that they've had with SuccessFactors Employee Central. And I wish you a happy 2021.
Thanks so much. Same to you.